Now, let's review some of the words and phrases that were used and learn their meanings. By following along, you can also practice the proper pronunciation of 10 key words and phrases which you can use in almost any office setting. You may pause the video and repeat after me as many times as you think is necessary until you feel confident about your pronunciation. Keywords and phrases. Caliber. The quality or level of ability of a person or company. Key points. The most important information. Title page. The page of the presentation that shows the name of the presentation and the name of the person presenting it. It can also include the name of the company being represented and the date of the presentation. Objectives. The items that will be talked about during the presentation. Subtitle. The title of a section within a presentation. Transition. To change from one topic or subtopic to another. Flow. The way a presentation or talk moves from one point to another. Infographics. Graphs and tables that show information. Decorum. Behavior in keeping with good taste. Q&A session. A time during presentations when the audience can ask questions.